n8n is an amazing tool if you're thinking to build AI agents and workflow automation using a low-code platform. By now, you might have already known about this tool. If not, this is the right time to get started and explore this. It's quite easy to get started with n8n. Visit to n8n.io and you can click here to get started for free. They offer 14 days of free trial without any credit card. So you can just click here to get started, fill in your details, sign up for the platform, and you'll get a cloud instance where you can practice, where you can explore all the workflow automation tools that n8n offers. And currently the pricing model for n8n is, if you want to go beyond your free plan, they offer you 20 euros per month. When there are different plans, you can go to the pricing page and explore. But now let's say you want to explore n8n tool and yet are not ready to productionize, or you don't have a production grade use case and you don't want to invest that amount and still want to learn and explore. So there are ways to do that. There are multiple ways to install n8n locally or in a hosted environment and access it completely free. So there are different ways to set up your n8n depending on what is your use. So you can either use this platform n8n Cloud, which I was showing you. They offer 14 days of free trial. You can also use npm to install it locally and access it using your local machine. You can also use Docker instance of n8n, and then you can probably go with server setup guides. For example, you have got your hosting with one of the hosting provider and you can launch the instance of n8n on your hosting provider. So let's explore the first way to install n8n using npm. npm is Node Package Manager. So let me open my terminal. Once I open my CMD, you can go to navigate to the path where you want to install n8n. For me, this path is fine and I'll try to install it here. So there is one prerequisite. In order to install n8n, you should have a npm package installed. Currently, I don't have an npm package installed. How you can find that? npm -version. If you type that, so if it is not giving you the version, then that means it is not installed. So let's install Node.js first. So in order to install Node.js, we have to visit to the Node.js website. Let me go here and type nodejs.org. Once we get to the Node.js website, you can click on Get Node.js. So open source platform, you can probably download and use it. So we have, depending on your operating system, you can choose those options. For me, it's Windows 64 x64. I'll download this and quickly install Node.js. Double click and install that. And as per the current state, please remember to download the version of Node.js from 20.19 onwards to 24x, whatever it is. So I have now opened that installation wizard. I'll just have to click next and get it installed. If you want to change any settings, you can change like the directory path or something like that. For me, I'll keep the default options and get it installed. So Node.js is getting installed. Let me clean up my terminal, or rather I'll close it. We will relaunch it once the setup is complete. I'll quickly fast forward this installation part. Here we have the installation completed. Finish that up. I'll open CMD. In CMD, let's see now, Node-v, it be Node -version, and we get the version that we installed. Once you have installed the Node.js, we will try with this command npx n8n. So what is npx? npx is a package, is a tool. Like for example, if you come from a Python background, how you install libraries, pip install something, uv install something. So similarly here, in order to install n8n on Node Package Manager, using Node Package Manager, we use npx. npx is one of the tool which is used to execute and which helps you with installation. It's designed to execute packages and packages from npm registry. So let me hit this npx n8n. So it is asking need to install the following packages. n8n, this is the package version. It is fetching, pulling the latest available n8n package, and we are okay. We will see why and we'll okay to proceed. So this single command will download everything, each and everything that is needed to run n8n on your local. So it's taking some time as it has to install a lot of dependencies and modules, right? As you can see the progress here, we got certain warnings also. We can ignore those warnings. I'll fast forward this installation. Okay. So guys, it will take some time. So please be patient there. And once it is installed, you'll get the option like this is now accessible at localhost with this port number. You can press O to open in browser, or we can directly go and visit this URL. So let me go to this URL and boom, we can access n8n on our local machine without paying single penny. You can easily set up your account here by providing email, first name, password, and then sign up. Once you click on next, it will ask certain details to get started. I'll fast forward through this section. You can choose whatever is applicable to you. So this is very important step here. Get paid features for free forever. Receive a free activation key. So this is how you will receive a free license key. And this is important. It will be sent to the email address that you're gonna use for the registration. So you have to apply that key, whatever key you get, right? You have to apply that, and then you can use it for free on your local. So this is all about. Now we are in the landing page of n8n, and you can get started with creating your workflow. You can get started with a AI agent, and you can start from scratch to build your workflow automation. So this is how you start to building your workflow. You can click on this and you have all the triggers. For example, I want to trigger it manually. I'll put this trigger, and then next action what I want to do, maybe a different flow that we will look once we design a workflow for one of the use case, right? So you can play around, and once you have got the license key, you can go to usage and plan section, and then you can update that key over here. You can click on enter activation key, update that key, and click on activate. So this will run as long as you are running your npx here. This command is running. This will execute. If you close this, if you exit this command line interface, it will stop working because this is currently hosted on your local host through npx package. So that's all guys for this video. I'll come up with more videos on installing n8n and then exploring n8n platform and creating certain use cases. Thank you so much.